everybody, welcome to the channel. I am Mitali and today, as you might have seen the title of the video, I'm going to get my nails done. So we're basically going to a nail salon. It has taken me a hell lot of effort to convince my mom that I want to get my nails done, and finally she has agreed to it. So we're going to a nail salon today. I'm going to get my nails done for the very first time. Like, look at them. I haven't got my nails done ever before in my life, and especially पिछले 2 साल से नीट की preparation की वजह से तो I have not done even a single polish on them. So I'm going to get them done. I have selected a few pictures and a few things that I want my nails to be like. So I'll be going and I'll share it with you guys here. So this is something that I want my nails to look like. And yeah, let's see. I want like those gel nail extensions. So let's see how does it happen and how does it come out. So let's go. So they started with cutting my nails really short and then filing and buffing them. And then look at this. These are the real length of the extensions that I had. And then they cut it according to my preference, according to the length that I wanted on my nails, and then again the process of filing and buffing restarted. And then they applied this sort of top gel nail coat, and then this is the UV nail dryer that helped the nails to dry. And yeah, I had this top coat applied for like 2 more coats, and that was it. And this is how my nails looked like after the whole application of the top coat and the filing and buffing process. And then was the time of chaos when I was asked to choose among so many shades of gel nail paint that which shade I wanted, and I wanted 4 different shades. So I chose these 2 shades of purple in place of the grey that I showed you in the picture in the start, and a white and a shimmery silver sort of thing. Look at the number of shades that they had. I mean, I was so confused in choosing what did I actually want on my nails. It was very confusing. And then there was a final application of a top coat. And this is it. This is how my nails finally looked, and I am absolutely in love with them. Hi everybody, finally. So I'm back home. I got home a couple of hours ago, but then I was very tired. I had dinner, and now finally I have sat down to shoot it again. So these are my nails. They look like this now, and I think I'm quite happy with the end result. I'm very satisfied. I wanted something like this only, like something in 4 shades, so I got it, and I'm very satisfied and very happy with my nails. And as of being my very first time into, you know, gel nails or any kinds of extensions, I'm very happy, and I'm very excited to have these. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and yeah, I will see you again very soon on the channel with more content. So stay safe, stay happy, bye bye.